limitations, BMC, Mumbai Municipal Corporation has started this project of online education for all. So today, class 5th, we will do English subject, degree of comparison of adjectives. Myself, Mrs. Uchwala Andrade, welcomes you to online class. Credit expert teacher Mrs. Andrade, administrative officer Snehartha Dombare, nodal beat officer Mr. Sharad Kurade, nodal headmistress Mary Pushpam Paul, assistant nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand, PNO Mr. Ratilal Kisan Borungale. Okay, we will start the online studies in grammar with a small prayer. Thank you, God, for all the blessings you have given me yesterday, today, and for all of my tomorrows. So we are thanking God for all the blessings He has given us and blessings He will be giving us today also and for tomorrow also. Okay. Chirlan, I want you. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So these are the adjectives. And there are some adjectives, some examples given, which I think you can read. Calm and rainy and windy and ugly or cold, bitter, awful, shiny, colorful, small. So these are very common adjectives. So everyone knows what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Okay, they describe about something. So for example, if it is sad, see here, the example is sad. So sad means somebody, we are talking about someone. So somebody is sad, or he is sad, or she is sad, isn't it? So these are the adjectives which are called describing words. Now, if we have to compare, the girl is sad, or she is more sad, or she is more and more sad, then we use this comparison words, which we'll be studying today. Okay, so let's start with our chapter of comparing the adjectives. Yes, degrees of comparison of adjectives. Yeah, so when I speak, it is better if you all don't speak. Okay, then we will not understand each other. When I ask you something, then you can talk. Okay, so degrees of comparison of adjectives. This is our topic today. Okay, now we will look at the picture and we will read the sentences. So the first, the strawberry is big, the apple is bigger than the strawberry. So here there are two things, and we have to make, and we are making a comparison. Now we know that there is this strawberry. You can see. So strawberry is a small fruit. Everybody knows strawberry, and here there is this apple. Okay, so strawberry is smaller than apple. Apple is bigger. So here in this sentence, what is told to us? The strawberry is big, no doubt. The apple is bigger than the strawberry. So you see there is a comparison made between two adjectives. Now what is the adjective here? The adjective is big. Okay, so strawberry is big. So big is the adjective. It is describing how the strawberry is. So we know the strawberry is big. But here in this case, the same adjective becomes bigger. Okay, the word is changing. The adjective is changing from big to bigger. So here we understand, okay, strawberry is big, but apple is even bigger. So big and bigger. Okay. Now here again the same picture. The strawberry is big, no doubt, but the strawberry is big. The apple is even bigger than the strawberry. And here they have given another fruit, watermelon, which is even bigger. So watermelon is the biggest of all the fruits. So this adjective, it becomes here big, so big become bigger, bigger becomes biggest. Okay, so big, bigger, biggest. So from this, the picture in our mind is very clear. Strawberry is big, apple is bigger, and watermelon is more bigger. So it is biggest. Okay, children.
Yes.
Yeah. Now these words big, bigger, biggest. So keep in your mind these adjectives big, bigger, biggest. Now these are the words which are highlighted. You can see they are highlighted in yellow. So these words in the sentence, these are the comparative adjectives. Yeah, the highlighted words big, bigger, and biggest are adjectives. So what are they describing? They are describing the fruits, strawberry and apple and watermelon. So here when the fruits are in front of you, see here it is visible. You can see strawberry is tiny, apple is little more big, and watermelon is biggest. So these are highlighted words, these are adjectives in their different forms. They describe the fruits, how they are. Now to show an equal comparison, you need to use an adjective. So to show an equal comparison, we need to use an adjective. We'll see further.
No.
A comparative adjective is used to make a comparison between two things. There are two things, and that adjective is used to compare these two things. Okay. Now in the picture, it is very clear. Degrees of comparison of adjectives. The first one is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. So these three degree of comparison you have to keep in mind: positive, comparative, superlative degree. You have to memorize them: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, and even the spellings, so that you can write the correct spellings when asked. Okay. Now, positive degree. Now, there are some sentences given. Like the first sentence was, the strawberry is big. Okay. Or Rapunzel is pretty. Or her dress is long. So now in these sentences, like pretty is the adjective. Okay. How her dress is long. So long is the adjective. And strawberry is big. How is the strawberry big? So these three are adjectives. Now here there is no comparison made. Okay, like this girl, Rapunzel is pretty. She is pretty. There is no comparison. Okay, other girl is there and she is even more prettier. No. Strawberry is big. Strawberry is big. Her dress is long. Her dress is long. There is no comparison made. Keep that in mind. There is no comparison made. Now, positive comparison. This is used for when we only describe one person or one thing. Like suppose in your class there is some boy who is fat. So when we say maybe his name is Raju. Okay, so Raju is fat. So here are we making comparison? No, we are only describing about Raju. Raju is fat. We are not making any comparison about the boy and another boy or another girl. No, what we will say, Raju is fat. So this is when we only describe one person or any one thing, like the umbrella. Suppose there is an umbrella, we have an umbrella which is red. So we will say the umbrella is red. Okay, there is no comparison made. So this is positive comparison. We'll see the examples here. First example, the house is big. Okay, you can see the picture. There is a house, and the house is big. There is no
House.
comparison. There is no another. There is another house there.
How big
Okay,
is house?
the house
The
is
house
yeah.
is
There is
house.
no comparison. The house is big. So there is one house, and it is big. So no, there is no comparison made in positive degree. Now the boy is fast on his bicycle. Now there is a boy. The boy is fast. He is riding the cycle very
Boy
fast.
and
So
bicycle.
yes, so he's fast. So you see the word here, the word fast here, there is no comparison made. This boy, we're talking about one boy only, and he is fast. Okay. The girl is smart. No, there is a girl
Girl is
in the class
smart.
somewhere, and she is studying. She is smart. So we are telling about the girl. This girl is smart. Is there comparison made? No, there is no comparison made. The girl is smart. The radio was loud. The radio was
Loud.
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 Loud means it is the radio is blaring loudly.
The
The radio was loud.
loud.
Yes, there isn't any comparison made here. So the radio was just loud. This particular radio. Okay. So uh, that was about the positive degree. There is no comparison made. Now we are coming to comparative degree. Now in comparative degree,
Miss, I can read.
here you want to read? Okay, read.
The comparative degree is used to compare two nouns of pronouns.
Very good. Very good.
We add "er" to the adjective to show comparison.
Comparison.
The
Comparison.
word then is placed after the adjective.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So, very good. What's the name, beta? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, comparative degree is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. Okay. So, here now we are going to compare. Just now we saw the house is big. We did not compare, but now we are comparing. So, we are adding er to the adjective to show comparison. The word than is placed after the adjective. So now we will see the example how comparative degree changes the adjective. Here, the apple, now strawberry is big, apple is bigger. So the apple is
Apple
bigger
is
than the
bigger
strawberry.
than the strawberry. Is bigger
Than
than
the
the strawberry.
strawberry. Yeah.
This
So
bigger is
this is
comparative
comparative.
degree.
Yeah, this is big, and here apple we say bigger, right? So
Yes.
we are adding er. What we are adding?
Yeah.
Er. Okay. And then it becomes comparative. So now we know, we can even imagine कि strawberry is big, apple is bigger. It is very clear. Apple is
Yes.
bigger.
Bigger.
Okay. Now here we are putting some other word. See, if
Miss,
the
I can
adjective,
read
read. Only read this. If the adjective,
if the adjective has three or more. Miss, what is this?
syllables, syllables.
Syllables. We put more before the adjective.
Yes. So
This one also
read,
example.
beta, read.
The book is more expressive than the notebook.
Okay. So here you keep in mind if the adjective has three or more syllables. You know what is syllables? Like suppose I will explain syllable is expensive. Okay, here the word expensive is adjective. The book is
Yes, miss.
expensive. So expensive is adjective. Now when we read expensive, how I say
Expensive.
expensive, right? Right. So there are three syllables, one, two, and three. So here the rule is if the adjective has three or more syllables, we put more before adjective. Okay. So expensive, these are three syllables. Suppose I say notebook, notebook, two syllables, right? If I say pronouns, two syllables. If I say adjective, it is three syllables. Adjective. Similarly, expensive. So expensive is three syllables. So now we are putting more. These are irregular degree of comparison. So here we will not say the book is expensiver than the notebook. No, we will say the book is more expensive than the notebook. Okay, the book
Yes.
is more expensive than the notebook. So here For the adjective, we use more. Understood? In comparative degree,
Yes.
we use more.
More.
Okay. So see, uh, the adjective more expensive compared the book and the notebook. So we put the word more before the adjective since the word expensive has 3 syllables. Got it? So it is very clear. Now you have to make comparative degree for the book is expensive, but you have to compare between notebook and the book. So now the girl has the book here and she is comparing कि this book is expensive, but this book is more expensive. Okay, so we use the word more for before the adjective. Okay, comparative degree. This degree, can you read
Please,
this?
I
This is
can
very
read
important. Read.
comparative degree. This degree is used when we
Two
compare
people.
two people or things to each other.
Yes, so keep this in mind. This is comparative degree. So this is
Yes.
used when we compare two people or two things. Okay, one or two. So when there is two, when there are two things, we use comparative degree. Like how just now we used strawberry. Uh, we use strawberry and apple, right? So
Yes.
two things. One was strawberry and one is apple. So strawberry is big, apple is bigger. So comparative degree is used in such cases when there is comparison between two people or two things. Now we'll see the examples here, which you can. Uh,
Rules. Miss, I can read.
no, 1 second. Now rule is you add er to the adjective. Okay. So see your example. I am tall. He is taller. Now this you can see here this boy.
Taller. Taller
Yes.
is comparative degree.
Yeah, so this boy is tall, and the other one there are two persons. He is taller, right?
Taller.
Yes. So there are only two people. So comparison made between two people or two things is comparative degree. So now we'll see
Okay.
the examples given here. Fast becomes
Fast. Faster.
faster. Fast becomes faster. Slow
Yes.
becomes
Slower. Slower.
big.
Big.
Big
Bigger.
becomes bigger. Small becomes smaller.
Smaller.
Tall becomes
Taller.
yes, very good. Tall becomes taller. So we are adding er. Okay, so
Yeah. Yes.
I am fast, but he is faster, right? That the elephant is slow, but the tortoise is slower. Okay.
Yes.
The my house is big, but the school is bigger, right? So you make comparison between two things only.
My brother is
Understood?
smaller and I am big. I am.
I am small, my brother is smaller.
Yes,
Okay?
miss.
Yes. Okay, your man is tall, but the other man is taller. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Yes. Now see, here you can understand very clearly. There are two houses. Read.
Yes, miss. I can read this.
Yes.
The
The house
house is big, but my house is bigger. Is
yes.
bigger is comparative
Now
degree.
here you have to understand one house. So this is one house. Okay, and this is another house. So this is your house. So the house is big. This is big, but this is bigger. Understood?
Yes,
So
miss.
the house is big, but my house is bigger.
Bigger.
Comparison made between two things. Remember, comparison made between two things.
Two
Other
things.
examples. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. Okay, so
Is
this
fast and
boy,
faster.
this boy is fast. The other boy is faster.
Yes.
I am faster. Read again. Read nicely. The boy
The boy
is fast.
is
Read
fast
on
on
his
his
bicycle. Yes,
bicycle,
but I am faster. Okay.
but I am faster.
So there are how many boys? Two boys. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Now
One boy is
the
fast and
radio.
second boy is faster.
Very good. The radio was loud, but the TV
But
was
the
louder.
TV was louder.
Okay. So radio is
Means
loud,
loud and louder is
louder.
comparative.
Comparative in comparison is two things. Okay.
Means
Okay.
I can
Okay.
read this.
Yes. So this is third degree, superlative degree. Read.
Superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. We add est to the adjective to show comparison. Comparison. The word the is placed before the superlative adjective.
Okay. Now here you keep in mind one thing. Is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. Okay. So that
Yes,
means it got two. One was house and other was big house.
houses,
So big and bigger.
houses.
Now here it is three things. I means two or more things we are going to compare. So here we add est before the adjective to show comparison, and we use the. We place the word the before the superlative adjective.
Yes,
Now I will
after.
show you how. I will show you how. Okay. Uh,
Yes,
Remember comparison made between more than two things, more than two nouns or pronouns. Now here
the watermelon
biggest of the fruits. Watermelon is the biggest
the
of the fruits.
biggest is superlative degree.
Yeah. Now when you on the mic, now there is a lot of blaring noise in the background. So try to keep your mouth mic shut. Okay. Now here we add est to the adjective to show comparison. Okay. So here the strawberry is big, the apple is bigger, but we are going more. So there are more than two things. So watermelon
This
comes.
biggest.
So the watermelon is the biggest of the fruits. So here the adjective big becomes bigger and now it becomes biggest. So we are adding est and we are
Yes,
adding the also. The watermelon is the biggest of the fruits. Means the watermelon is bigger than
of
uh,
the fruits.
there is also an apple also, which is the biggest watermelon. Now we will see the examples here. Superlative
Miss
degree is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns.
now.
So
And
here, if the adjective has more than three or more syllables, we put most. Now, the book is the most expensive of them all. So there are three, four books. So we are saying the book is the most expensive of them all. Just now it was expensive, more expensive. It becomes most expensive. Okay, it becomes
yes,
most expensive.
most
Now
super.
read this.
Miss, I can read.
Read.
Superlative degree is used when comparing more than two peoples or
Okay, it is not
things.
people, so it is people. Superlative degree is used when we compare two or more people or things. So now we will not be having in superlative degree. Remember, there will be three things. Okay, one thing, second thing, third thing, or even more.
So,
Then it is superlative degree. Comparison made between more than two things. It is superlative degree. Now here, add est to the adjective. So see here, fast,
faster,
faster,
fastest.
fastest, slow, read,
Slower, slowest.
big,
Bigger, biggest.
small,
Smaller, smallest.
tall.
Taller, tallest.
Okay. So we are adding est. Now this boy is short, shorter, shortest. We go in the this
Miss,
manner. Short. This boy is short. He is more short. He is shortest. So short, shorter, shortest. Okay. Short,
Miss,
shorter,
I-
shortest. Now,
example. He was the fastest in the bicycle race.
Yes. So
Miss
here we want
fastest.
to say fast. This is the superlative degree. It is fast, faster, fastest. Okay.
Fastest.
Fast, faster,
Miss,
fastest.
I have also an example.
Read.
The biggest house on the block was for sale.
Yeah. So there are many houses. There are how many houses here? You can see one,
Miss, 1, 2, 3, 4.
one,
4
two,
houses.
and four. Now, your biggest house is this, right? So we
Yes,
want to
Miss.
talk about this house. So we will say the biggest house on the block was for
Miss,
sale.
biggest. Biggest.
So biggest house on the block was for sale. Okay, so you
Yes.
know which house? This is the biggest house. This is for sale. Okay, read.
Example. She was the smallest girl in the class.
No, it is not smallest. Read carefully.
She was the smartest girl in the class.
Yes. So she
Sorry,
was
Miss.
the smartest girl in the class. So all others are smart. Okay, even the other
Miss,
girls are smart, but she is the smartest. So smartest.
Miss
Okay.
first one.
Next example.
Superman was the strongest and fastest of all superheroes, but
Heroes.
Spider-Man was the most. Miss, what is
Flexible.
this? Flexible.
Flexible. Yes. So Superman was strongest and fastest. So we are comparing Superman to all. All the other people are fast and
Miss
strong also. So
strongest and fastest.
Superman was strongest. So we are comparing this degree is superlative. He is the fastest and strongest. And
Yes,
Spider-Man was the most flexible. Most flexible was Spider-Man.
yes.
Okay, degree of
Degree
comparison.
of
So
comprehension.
it is comparison.
Comprehension.
Comparison. Now we will
Compare.
compare some
We
material.
compare the material. Miss,
Bright, brighter, brightest.
brightest.
You have to just read bright, brighter,
Brighter,
brightest.
brightest.
Okay.
Miss,
So you understand कि these are the sun is the brightest. Candle is bright. Okay. The moon is brighter. So the sun is brightest. Right?
brightest.
Brighter, brightest. Light.
Light, lighter, lightest.
Okay. Light, lighter, lightest.
Lightest.
Spellings also you have to memorize.
Miss,
When you are reading, you have to memorize the spellings also. Light, lighter, lightest.
light.
Suppose at the end of the lesson, I will ask you spellings. Huh? So you are going to memorize the spellings also.
Miss,
Light, lighter, lightest. Next, read.
cold, colder, coldest.
Yes, cold, colder, coldest. When I'm showing you this, please memorize the spellings also because
Miss,
you will be given an oral test. I will ask you orally about the spellings. Okay, sweet becomes
sweet, sweeter,
sweeter,
sweetest.
sweetest. Now, sweet is positive degree. Everybody should know sweet is positive degree,
Positive.
sweeter is comparative degree, and sweetest
And
is superlative degree. Okay,
yeah.
so positive, comparative, and superlative. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Okay,
Miss
tall,
beautiful, beauty, tall,
say.
taller, tallest.
You were saying beautiful. We will see about it later. I will show you all what beautiful becomes. Okay. Beautiful is
Beautiful,
an adjective.
beauty, more. Miss
Tall, taller, tallest. You understood
tallest.
tall, taller,
Yes.
tallest. Heavy,
Heavier,
heaviest.
heaviest. Beautiful,
Beautiful.
more beautiful, most beautiful.
Okay. Now see beautiful. These are three syllables, right?
Yes,
Beautiful. So we use more beautiful and most beautiful. So beautiful is positive. More beautiful is
next, comprehensive.
comparative. Here it
And
is
most
positive. More
beautiful,
beautiful is comparative and most beautiful is superlative. Okay. Okay. Fast,
fast,
faster,
faster, fastest.
fastest. Okay. Now these are some rules. when adjective ends in Y, it becomes, we add an I, we add ER or EST. So example is tiny. Tiny will add in Y. Tiny
Why?
ending with Y, so it becomes
Tiny,
tinier,
tinier,
tiniest.
tiniest.
Okay, now this spelling is also you have to keep in mind. Here in tiny, it is
Pretty,
the word adding
prettier,
with Y.
prettiest.
So it becomes, Y becomes I-E-R, and I-E-S-T. So tiny, tinier, tiniest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Keep this in mind.
Nice,
When
nicer,
adjective ends
nicest.
in E, you drop E and we add ER. Like nice becomes nicer, nicest.
Nicer,
Wise
means
becomes wiser,
wiser,
wisest.
wisest.
Nice. Spelling, see how the spelling changes. E becomes ER, okay, ending with E, so it becomes ER and EST. So
Yes,
wise, wiser, wisest, nice, nicer, nicest.
wisest.
When
Big,
adjectives end in a consonant that follows a vowel, double the
vowel,
last
double
consonant.
the last one and
Okay,
add er or est.
yes. So when it is big, okay,
Big become
it is a
bigger,
consonant,
biggest.
so it becomes, and we add double. We have to add double. So big, it will not be big.
Means
It
big
will not be
become
big.
bigger, biggest.
It will not be bigger, bigger. It is wrong. Okay, it will be double G. Remember that it will be double G. So
Double,
bigger,
bigger.
biggest, fat, fatter, fattest. These are simple rules. Okay, now here we form the comparative and superlative degree of irregular adjectives by changing the spelling.
Positive,
Now,
comparative, superlative.
now there's a table where some
Good,
adjectives and
good means
positive, comparative, superlative. So good will change to better, and better will change to best when it is superlative. So good will not become gooder and goodest. Okay, keep that in mind. I will be asking
yes,
you at the end of the chapter. Then you answer. I'll be asking you at the end of the chapter. So these are irregular adjectives: good, better, best, bad or ill, worse, worst. Many or much becomes more, most. Father, far, farther, farthest. Keep that in mind. Now you can read. Now you want to read, you read. Come on. Good,
good,
Best. Good, bad,
better,
best,
best.
best.
easy,
Yes.
worse,
Bad, worse,
money, more,
worst.
Bad is worse,
more,
worst.
Many, more, most.
Man,
most.
most.
Far, farther, farthest.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, again, a degree is given, a table is given. So small becomes,
Smaller, smallest.
large becomes,
Larger, largest.
thoughtful becomes,
More
More,
thoughtful, most thoughtful.
stout.
intelligent becomes,
More
More
intelligent, most intelligent.
intelligent.
good becomes.
Better, best.
Best.
Okay. If you want, you can take a screenshot so that you can write later.
Miss,
Now,
wait, I will not take in
tall.
screenshot.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Miss, I taken.
Thank you. Okay. Good. Now, just read this. You are going to read this. Everybody, come on.
Lily is
Yes.
tall.
Mimi is
Mimi is taller than Lily. Nini is the tallest of the three girls.
Very good.
Miss, I can
Now,
read this.
Miss
read.
Study the
Study the pictures, read the sentence, and fill the blanks with the correct form of the adjective.
Okay.
The car is big.
Very good.
Miss, the car is big.
Next.
The van is bigger than the car. The
Very good.
bus is biggest among the three.
Very good. Next. Read.
Mary has Miss
long
Mary has big hair.
Long,
Mary
long,
has
long.
Miss Mary has long hair. Mary has longer hair than Mary. Mary has the longest hair in the group.
Okay. Mary, Maria, Marianne.
Yes.
Lester's house is
Largest house is beautiful.
Leith,
Leith house is most
more,
beautiful than Leicester.
more beautiful.
Yes, miss. Last
Then
house is the most beautiful among the three houses.
very good, very good. Okay, so now we
Complete,
will
complete the chart by supplying the missing adjective.
supplying. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, how you will do it? Close, closer, closest. We will do it on your own. You can take a screenshot.
Yes, miss, I take it.
I have taken. Say, I have.
Oh, I have taken.
Okay, okay. So close will become closer, closest. Diligent, more diligent, most diligent. Cold, colder, coldest. More colorful,
Most colorful, more colorful, colorful.
many becomes
Manier,
no, more,
Many beautiful.
more and most. Many will become
miss,
more
yes.
and most.
More many, most many.
No, many will become more and most. That's it.
Yes, miss.
More,
More
most.
and most.
Okay,
Okay, miss.
okay. Bright will become brighter and brightest.
Brightest.
Okay, okay. You all were very good children today. Thank you,
Have a nice
everyone.
day, miss.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Thank you.